Every woman carries 3 hidden doors to her deepest desires, and most men spend their entire lives hoping one man will finally learn how to open them in the right order. The brutal truth is that 99% of men rush straight to her body, completely blind to the fact that real intimacy isn't a race. It's a slow, deliberate art form that begins long before skin ever meets skin. It starts in her mind, the most powerful erogenous zone on the planet. Before her body ever tingles, her brain is already flooding with dopamine and oxytocin, scripting fantasies about you while she's in the shower or stuck in traffic. Touch her mind by asking the questions that make her soul pause. What's a dream you've never told anyone because you were scared they'd think it was stupid? Then listen like her words are oxygen. Tease her thoughts, challenge her playfully, make her laugh until her cheeks hurt. When you mentally undress her with curiosity and respect, she starts craving you in ways no physical trick ever could. Only after her mind is lit up do you move to her heart. A woman can give her body to someone she doesn't trust, but she will never fully surrender to him. The heart unlocks with consistency, not fireworks. Remember the tiny things, her favorite tea, the song from your first date, and surprise her with them for no reason. Send a random midday text that says nothing more than thinking about you. When she's stressed or emotional, pull her close and just hold her. Your calm presence is the most erotic thing you can offer at that moment. When she feels emotionally safe and irreplaceably chosen, her walls dissolve and her body begins begging for you without a single touch. And only then, when her mind is obsessed and her heart is wide open, do you finally touch her body. Now every inch of her skin is alive, hypersensitive, ready to explode under slow, reverent hands. Kiss her forehead like a promise, trace your fingers down her spine like you're memorizing scripture. Rest your hand possessively on the small of her back in public, so she feels both protected and claimed. Move with patience and hunger at the same time. Look into her eyes so she sees the perfect balance of worship and raw desire. When you touch her body after you've already claimed the first 2 doors, sex stops being good and becomes the kind of soul-shaking experience she'll replay in her mind for years. Mind, then heart, then body, that is the unbreakable sequence. Skip a step and you're forgettable. Rush the process and you're just another guy. Master the order and you become the man she moves cities for. The one her friends hear about in breathless late-night confessions. The one she still thinks about a decade later when someone else is fumbling in the dark. You don't need new techniques or fancy lines. You only need deeper presence, deliberate patience, and the willingness to touch her where it truly matters most. Start tonight with one dangerous question, one small act of devotion, one slow, intentional caress, and watch how willingly, how completely, how breathtakingly she opens every hidden door just for you.